Haha, you know what it is. You know who it is. Brandon, Father and Sons Mobile Detailing. Your favorite detailer, favorites detailer. Back at it with another video. Interior detail, as you can see. It was pretty hammered, but I came in to take care of it. As you can see, a little dusty, a little grimy, but y'all keep watching. I get asked all the time, how do I clean the dirty vehicle with rinseless wash? As y'all can see, this little machine right here don't play no games, none at all. You know what I'm talking about? My plan of attack on this one, start from the back. As you can see, it ain't as dusty anymore. Vacuumed up all the debris. Then I just start over in the passenger side. As y'all can see, quick vacuum, quick shampoo, it's all done, at least this part. Now just keep completing the same process all over the vehicle. I want to thank y'all for continuing to watch my videos, watch my growth. Y'all really means a lot. And then if you're in this game and you're thinking about giving up, remember, just keep on pushing. Already, man.